crazy girl.
It's your boy Crazy Tech, and I'm here with a new unboxing video. As you can see, I'm unboxing LG Phone X3. So it's an AT&T. Where I live, they do have an AT&T service pole, so we don't use AT&T in Jamaica. So let's open the box. So here's LG, a little sticker. I like the way it's black. The volume button up, volume button down, the power button at the back, not fingerprint or flash, as you can see, camera, the AT&T logo, of a grippy back though, speaker, LG. So while the phone come on, let's see what the box comes with. Large 5 display, camera 5 megapixel, LED flash, 5 megapixel at the front camera, up to 16 gig internal storage, up to 32 gigabyte expandable memory. Marshmallow, Android Marshmallow 6.6. The battery is 2500 AM battery. So the phone is on. So secret about LG, you can double tap it. You can double tap it to lock off the phone, double tap it to turn on the phone, even though the power button it's around the back. So let's see what this phone comes with. So a travel adapter, USB, no earphone, not quite sure what is this. So AT&T banner, probably, I don't know, flyer, not interested into that. Start here, AT&T prepaid, not interested. So the LG manual book. People who do not know about phones, you can sit in your spare time, read the manual book, the user guide. So as usual, let's see what this phone, this bad boy, come with in settings. So setup similar to like a Samsung. You slide over sound notification, display, general. So as I said, it's 16 gig. There it is. So it's Crazy Tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Peace.
We can make a wildfire getaway.